Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Tuesday, the 19th of May 2020. So markets go manic thanks to money printing, Moderna and Merkel. So yesterday prices were off to the races, as we can see here. Let's start with the daily chart. So you can see prices there moving sharply higher and trading up to the 76% that we have on the chart. Just one more to get out of the way before we can move up towards the 200 MA. That's if prices are going to go this high. Yesterday it helped that Powell spoke, which you can see there. He was out yesterday at midday, and this sparked the move in the Dow. In the pre-market session, you can see here that prices started to pick up, as did the volume, and then after you can see prices rising sharply there. Moving from the low here all the way up before the pre-market session, we see 441 points already put on, and then from the start of the cash market, again you can see the classic up, back down, retrace, and then we go, and this and moving. That was the high in the pre-market session, and then off we go again to put on another, let's have a look before the close, another 200. The market actually moved up 900 points yesterday in the from Friday's close. So incredible that we're seeing this, but not incredible if you followed me for the last 10 years, because they're doing everything they can to keep this stock market afloat and moving to the upside. It will eventually find its fair value. They always do, but it's just going to take a moment before it does. So price is coming back down towards the 200 MA, way above the DP at the moment, and above the 20 bar moving average as well. So the Dow on the overnight market at the moment moving to the upside. However, it's interesting to note that fearing an imminent top, companies flood the market with stock for sale after the close. At least 13 equity offerings launched after the market closed on Monday, the busiest evening for 2020 for such deals. So you could see either absorption of the selling coming into the market and prices then resuming higher, or bit of volatility to the downside when the market opens at 2:30 this afternoon. Meanwhile, news, what have we got? We've got the UK unemployment figures. These are out at 7 a.m, so these will be interesting. If this doesn't come out at 7 a.m, they did this the other day where they had a news item for 7 a.m, and it then reverted to 9:30, so just be careful of that one. Check with Forex Factory and see if they've got this. Yeah, so they're saying 7 a.m. as well. So just keep an eye on that one. Then we've got the G7 meeting. Obviously, it's going to be a Zoom meeting or Skype or whatever. Building permits at 1:30, and then Powell's out again at 3 p.m. So if you get a sell-off in the first half hour, there's a good chance with Powell's constant money printing and promises of more money may move the market back to the upside. That pattern that we've seen time and time again over the last few weeks, where the market opens, moves low, moves higher, then retraces, the classic 76% retracement as the selling disappears, 76, 78. You'll see that happen time again, and then great area for a move to the upside, unless of course they do want to sell off. But again, you'll see that what they'll do is move the market lower, move it up, and you'll have the opposite of a retracement to the upside. So the market will come down, go up 70, let's exaggerate that a bit more, come up 62, 78, and then move to the downside. So that takes care of the market, the implied volatility moving down. So the option sellers don't see too much of a problem at the moment, coming back down to the lows here. at 26.66, and the coloured version, coded version, we're back to green because we're below the 20 bar moving average in the implied, and we're above the 20 bar moving average now with prices as well. So it's green for the implied volatility, which means that the market is bullish there, as well as we've seen through this part and here, and then we had a bit of a pullback at the end of last week, which gave a bit of an amber warning there. Okay, that's it for this one. There's not a lot else to report. Like I say, they keep printing the money, and the insanity prevails, and it's a matter of how long it will do so. So we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, that's it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.